Hi everybody. Hey, I am at the Twin Falls City Park. So I'm going to flip this camera around and I'm going to show you one example. I can probably take this off because there's no one here. I don't think I can take it off. Anyway, I'm going to show you one example of a way that I might collect some curiosities for my cabinet in an ethical way, because we've talked about we don't want to collect samples from places that are off limits. But I just am going to flip this camera around and I'm going to show you a little bit about what I might do as I'm going through this nature within the city and see if I can find some curiosities, some things that make me intrigued, interested, want to study more. So I'm going to turn this around and show you what I am gonna walk through and find. So I am noticing over there that there's some squirrels, and I'm also noticing the trees. Now remember, if I didn't want to do the old school type of curiosity cabinet, I could be taking pictures. So I'm just kind of looking around and I'm noticing this. I'm wondering if it's the bottom of an acorn or some kind of nut. It's curious. I'm not sure what it is. So I think maybe I'll collect that. And then look, it's in the same place as I recognize this as the top of an acorn. But this isn't a great sample because it's broken. So I think I'm going to keep looking. I'm noticing this leaf, and I think this will help me identify this tree. And I know that they rake and remove all these leaves, so I'm pretty sure that it's acceptable for me to take it. Okay, now look at this. Oh yeah, there's some better samples here. So I'm going to make my little pile right here. Look at this. This is the top of an acorn. And then, see, look, I wonder if that, I'm seeing some more of these. Look, here's a half of one. So whatever this is, I just wondered if this would fit like a puzzle. I think I'm going to collect these. I don't need to collect them all. There's no reason to, but a couple so that I can kind of take them home and do some research and see if they are all connected and related. I'm wondering if the squirrels like to take that. And I might take that leaf as well, because I'm noticing the beautiful changes in the colors, and I might actually do a painting from this as well. It's kind of fun to find things in nature and then use watercolor and try to mix the colors, and that actually helps me with my art as well. And then I would probably take a picture of that bark if I wanted to be able to identify this tree. And you can see they are just humongous, very cool trees. And so I'm going to keep, and I'm going to just see what else I can possibly find. Now I'm noticing that this is a different type of leaves, and so we've got a different shape going on. And then I recognize this. See, imagine if it looked a little bit more like that. So this is one half of a seed pod. So I might collect that. And this one maybe, because it offers a different size. But yeah, so this leaf looks the same as the other one, but look at those beautiful veins. I could definitely use that. Oh, and then look at that little itty bitty one. But see, this is a different shape. So that's a different tree. I'm not really finding a great sample of that one. I don't like this one because it's kind of ripped up. But I could keep looking to see. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is beautiful. So I'm collecting more than what I need for my cabinet. I am thinking that I'm collecting some for my painting inspiration, to be honest with you. Here's a good sample. This one is fresh enough and it has a good shape that I can use to identify. Oh, and here's one that I can use. So I could sort these leaves in my cabinet. I could press these leaves, and that will help retain their colors. And then look at this. This is a new one. I recognize this one. I've raked a lot of these. So now I've found 3 different varieties of leaves and what I think might be some acorns. And what I can do is press the leaves in between some books. And then I can do both art with them, and I can put them in my curiosity cabinet. Ooh, here's another good sample right here. I really like that sample. It's got a good shape. Not just watercolor painting, but another great thing to do in the fall with the leaves, you may have done it when you were younger, is leaf rubbings. You can put them down, and then you can put paper over them and turn your crayon sideways and rub on top, and the print will show. And the thing is it's not just something kids do for fun. It's something that scientists used to do to be able to document these leaves, because these leaves will break down, they'll start to deteriorate, but those rubbings will last much longer. So there are all kinds of ways that, oh, I should show you this. I can find a lot of this mess. Look at all that. Look at that gorgeous texture. This world is an amazing place, and there's inspiration all around. So just go take a look outside and see what you can find.